అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మాన్సి గులాటి. Yoga is very important for life. Yoga is very important for everything. Yoga is for perfection. So today we are going to do face yoga. Face yoga. Everyone is thinking it's for beauty. Yes, it is for beauty. You know, beauty is also very important, but it is also good for your health. So we can easily control our age by face yoga. We can look more young by face yoga. Control 10 years with face yoga with me. So we'll do face yoga. First exercise today we are going to do for the plumpiness. Plumpiness, we can easily control plumpiness. We can get beautiful slim face by face yoga. So we'll do. This is very simple and very easy. Make a balloon and hold. Release. We have 57 tiny muscles. Muscles will get contracted. Your blood circulation will improve. So this is the best asana for the plumpiness. So we'll do it again. This is very important asana. Middle finger, index finger. Make a balloon and hold. So you know, young girls she really get worried for their skin. So this is very simple and easy yoga, face yoga. Please do this every day. Make your routine. Then we should not, then we would not apply any cosmetic. We should not go for any surgeries. You know that surgery sometimes it turn bad also. So face yoga is a natural way. Face yoga is a combination of acupressure, exercise and massage. Do it with me and make your skin beautiful. So we'll do it again. Other exercise which is also very good exercise for the under eye. You know what is the reason of under eye? Why the dark circle appear? What is the reason? It is because of allergy. We can get allergy from anything, by color, by food. So we can control this by simple face yoga exercise. It is very easy. Make a V and look straight. Stretch it downward and turn your eyeball up or look up. Best exercise to control dark circle under eye, and also this is very good for the allergy. We'll do it again last time. Make a V. Stretch and look up. Relax. So this is the proper way. Please do this exercise. This is very important exercise for the under eye, for the dark circle. And now we'll do exercise for the double chin. What is the reason of double chin? We'll tell you the reason, but first you should do this exercise with me. This is very good exercise. We can control our double chin in just 3 or 4 days by doing this exercise. Very simple. Make a spout. Look up. सैगिंग भी हो जाता है. ये सैगिंग भी पूरी तरह कंट्रोल करता है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द डबल चिन and also good for your jaw muscle. Sharpen your jaw muscle too. So we'll do it again. This is very important exercise for the double chin. Make a spout. Look straight. 10 seconds. Look up. 10 seconds. Stretch. Relax. So this is best exercise for the double chin. Control double chin. Look beautiful. Look young with face yoga. Do it every day. Now we'll do other exercise that is also very good exercise for the blood count, for the blood circulation, and also this is very important exercise for the neck pain. This will help you to control your age. Now just do yoga with me and control your age. We'll do this for face yoga, very easy. Just hold your face very tightly. First keep your hand like this. Now hold your face. Holding your muscles and release. Very important. It is really good. If some people, they get angry. Kopam yela control shali. We can easily control our anger by this simple exercise. We'll do it again. This is very important, and this is very important. You know, we get a beautiful skin by this exercise. We'll do it. So please do yoga every day, and these are the simple facial yoga exercises which we did today. 3 exercises, and we can do one kriya also. That is also very good for your clearing your bad toxins from your body. So we'll do this kriya. This is very simple kriya. Look up. Thyroid based hair, center of your neck. So we are doing this exercise. This is good for your face and body too. Look up. Now exhale. Relax. Very simple. And face yoga is very beautiful. We don't need to apply any cosmetic because naturally we are very beautiful. Just we need to maintain it. So do this exercise every day with me. Thank you.